Hi, this is Dr. Daisy Ayim, triple board certified cosmetic surgeon, OBGYN, and creator of Polished Beauty Podcast. Let's chat about liposuction and awake. You've heard the fuzz. What is the big deal with it? Well, I personally love awake liposuction because number one, of the enhanced safety. You are totally in control in this procedure, meaning that you're alert, you're communicating back to me as your surgeon. We can have conversations, or you can just relax and take a nap. But either way it goes, being awake allows us to have you move in a 3D manner. I can have you follow instructions on what position I want you in, and it just make the whole process seamless. So that's number one, patient enhanced safety. Number two is the recovery time. Because you're awake and there was no general anesthesia and your airway was not compromised, after the procedure, you can literally stand on your 2 feet and walk out of the office or out of the procedure room and you're done. Obviously, no driving, but you're able to walk, so the recovery is quicker and you can get back to your routine sooner. In fact, in my practice, I tell my patients by day 3, 1, 2, 3, I need you out about doing what you were doing before. Get back into your fitness, working out, so your recovery time is minimal, which takes us to point number 3, your post-op recovery. Unlike general anesthesia, which can take longer for you to recover, with awake liposuction, there's really a shorter time frame. So it's great for you if you don't have that much time to take off for work or any other thing, so you can get this procedure done and boom, you're back to your everyday routine. So quicker recovery is another benefit of awake liposuction. Another benefit is just the patient comfort, because you can communicate back to me during the procedure. If you're having discomfort, you would mention it. Hey, this doesn't feel good. Or if you're having a good time, you let me know as well. So it's that open communication that just makes awake liposuction really fantastic and a great option for patients. Another benefit of it is it's minimally invasive. That means that there's really no cutting. It's just a small, tiny incision that's made and you are good to go afterwards. With all of that being said, I usually give a cocktail of oral medicine prior to awake liposuction. And it does 2 things. Number one, it takes away your anxiety. So I give you something that helps with anxiety and nerve, in case you were feeling anxious. For some patients, they don't need it, but some may. I also give oral narcotic to take away any pain that may be associated during the procedure. And you also, during the procedure, you're injected with a mixture of a numbing medicine into the fat cell. And that's how we're able to do the procedure awake and give you the amazing results that you get from it. My final point on awake liposuction is that you get a 3D contouring. I can have you position your body in certain places that can give me the ability to lipo the fat and really sculpt you in a very aesthetic, pleasing way, because we are dynamic, a full 3D form. So with general anesthesia, liposuction, you're literally on your back, on your stomach, maybe on your side, but you're not allowed to give us some intricate moves so I can see how the tissue lays. I think I've told you everything you need to know about awake liposuction. And if you have any question, feel free to reach me on my website, www.drdaisyayim.com, or you can call my office. You can follow me on Instagram or at the Polished Beauty Podcast online.
A Moment of Zen is brought to you by the Polished Beauty Podcast with Dr. Daisy Ayim. Hey, ambitious women, ready to shine on the inside and out? Tune in to the Polished Beauty Podcast, where we talk about business, beauty, brains, and body all in one spot. Meet Dr. Daisy Ayim, triple board certified cosmetic surgeon, pro-aging advocate, fitness enthusiast, and your go-to for real talk on leveling up every part of your life. The Polished Beauty Podcast is your dose of ambition meets empowerment. For more information, head to polishedbeautypodcast.com.